Sexy Smooth Wax sent me their Golden Allure Wax, and you guys, it is beautiful. Now, I live in Las Vegas, and if you know, you know. My wax came and it was sitting in the mail for a couple hours, so it clumped together. I had to make it work, and I had placed some of the wax in my pot, broke it in pieces so I can get it to melt. But this wax, you guys, is amazing, and I cannot wait to share some videos using this wax. If you are an esthetician, you probably enjoy this part as much as I do, and this wax did not disappoint. It is gorgeous and it does an amazing job. Look at how beautiful this wax is. So follow me if you want to see more content featuring this wax, and drop your questions below for my next videos.